What's your name?
Caitlin.
How old are you?
Judy.
When's your birthday?
At March.
What's my name?
Mama Heather Hawkins.
That's right. What's your daddy's name?
William.
Mm-hmm. Do you know your sister's name?
Katrina.
That's right. Do you know your brother's name?
Daddy.
Your brother.
Austin.
Yeah, Austin. Do you have a dog?
Mm-hmm.
What's your dog's name?
Doggy.
Bentley.
Bentley.
Do you have a kitty cat?
No.
Aw, yes you do.
I do?
Yeah.
Yay!
Ashley.
I have kitty cat at home at our house.
Yeah, what's her name?
Ashley.
Mm-hmm.
Look at my eyeball.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Touch it.
No, I don't want to touch your eyeball.
I'm gonna touch it.
Wow. Googly, googly. Ow. No. I don't want your eye to get bigger. Would you like for your eye to remain small?
Touch it.
No way, Jose Canseco. What is your favorite thing to do? Do you like to color?
Yes. But take a picture.
Well, I'm actually video recording right now. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
My mom is the best in the whole world. Say my mama's the best in the whole world. Say it. Say my mama's the best in the world.
Mama is the best of the world.
Ready?